The wonders of traditional processing. Have you ever wondered how people long ago made the things they needed? Before factories and big machines, people used materials they found in nature to create useful items. This way of making things is called traditional processing. It means using old methods, passed down through generations, to turn natural materials into something new. Let us explore some amazing examples of traditional processing from Africa, where people used what was around them to build, cook, and protect themselves. Imagine clay. It comes right from the ground, soft and earthy. Long ago, people learned to mix this clay with water. They would then shape it by hand, patiently molding it into different forms. They made pots of all sizes, perfect for storing cool water, keeping food safe, or even cooking delicious meals over a fire. From the same clay, they also crafted strong bricks. These bricks were then used to build sturdy huts and houses, providing shelter for their families. Now, let us think about plants. Many plants, like tall grasses and reeds, were incredibly useful. People would carefully dry these plant pieces until they were just right. Then, with skillful hands, they would weave them together. They wove beautiful baskets, strong enough to carry food from the farm or goods from the market. They also made hats to shield their faces from the hot sun, keeping them cool while they worked or played, and soft, comfy mats were woven to sit on during stories or to sleep on peacefully at night. Another brilliant use of grasses and reeds was for making roofs. These special roofs are called thatched roofs. Long dried grasses and reeds were carefully layered and tied together to form a thick, protective covering for houses. These amazing roofs kept people safe and dry from rain and wind. They also kept homes wonderfully cool in the summer and surprisingly warm in the winter. Traditional processing was so important because people used materials that were easy to find nearby. They survived and thrived without modern technology, creating strong, useful, and often beautiful items from nature's gifts. So, the next time you see a woven basket, a clay pot, or even a thatched roof, remember the cleverness and skill of people long ago who understood the wonders of traditional processing.